If your induction range doesn't seem to be working, there's probably a simple solution to get it running as it should. If your range was just installed, check to make sure it's plugged into the outlet properly. This applies to ranges that have a power cord. Check your fuse box or breaker box to make sure the circuit is active. If you've experienced a power outage, resetting the power to your range from the breaker box for a few minutes may just do the trick. To power your cooktop on, press and hold the on-off key of the desired cooking zone or element. The display shows the setting for the cooking zone you're using. If you turned on a cooking zone by pressing the plus key, the range will be in the power boost setting. It will remain in the power boost setting for 10 minutes unless you change it. Remember, the cooking zone won't heat without proper induction cookware. To see if your cookware is compatible, try to stick a magnet on the base and side of your pot or pan. If the magnet clings firmly, your cookware will work. If the magnet clings weakly or not at all, the cookware will not heat up on your induction range. This symbol on your cookware indicates it's induction friendly. If no cookware is present, the cooking zone will automatically shut off after 3 minutes. To power your oven on, set the clock. The oven won't start if the clock is flashing or not set. Select the oven controls for your desired cooking function. Some models have a safety lock to keep children from using the controls. Check if you've inadvertently activated this feature. Directions to deactivate the safety lock can be found in your Use and Care Guide. We're here to help. Check out your Use and Care Guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.